Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the software. Let's look inside the dashboard. I'm going to show you how it works. And then, like I said, I'm going to talk to you about OTO1, OTO2, as well as my bonuses. So let's take a look. So this is a look inside the dashboard of Push Connect Notify, and you can see the number of subscribers and number of campaigns, and you can actually have subscribers per campaigns. This is an example on the JV page of exactly how the push notification is going to appear. So it's going to pop up on the top center there, and you can see how customized it is. You can type the text you want, bold or not, the buttons, the colors, the images. You have tons of flexibility, and once you click it, you click to allow, and it's this simple. So all you got to do is click to allow, to let this website send you push notifications. Now, like I mentioned earlier, once you click to allow, it's going to give you that soft option to actually ask for an email. So thank you for subscribing. Final step, enter your email below. Now, this is going to automatically get their email if they decide to enter it, but you can see on the top right here that there's already a push notification that's been sent. So you can actually plan these push notifications for a 14-day follow-up series, and it will try 24 hours at a time to send this push notification. That way, if the person's not actually at their computer, they will continuously get that push notification until they show up. Now, like I said, this is just for the JV page. To explain to you how it's done, this is Jimmy Kim actually used this on his JV page for push notifications, and it worked extremely well, personally having tested it. So that's a simple little example of this push connect notify, and exactly how it's going to push connect and notify people that are on your page, subscribe to your page. And like I mentioned, this could be for blogs, landing pages, e-com, your website, and you have that potential email opt-in, which is fantastic because not only are you going to get them through the push notifications, but you'll also have that email for other options. In this here, you can create the campaign, you can send a newsletter, you can really do as you want. The push letters are fantastic, and we're going to go through a little bit of this. So hang tight here, and let's show you what the details look like here. So in auto pushes, it will tell you how many people have received the auto push, people that have clicked your links. It gives you tons and tons of data, and this is so massive. Like I mentioned before, people don't like giving away their emails as quickly now, but being able to get these auto pushes set up or to push as you need, people are more inclined to take that push notification. And it is a JavaScript, so it's unblockable. It's much, much, much more user-friendly than most other push notifications. And this is the embed code. Like I said, it's very simple. Copy it to your clipboard, and all it has to do is go into the JavaScript, which, like I mentioned, is unblockable. And this is going to allow you to reach so many more of your potential customers and viewers. So what you can see here, we're going to copy, we're going to paste it, we're going to test it to show you how fast these push notifications can actually appear. So when you're setting up your campaign, you actually have to put the domain that you're going to be using this on. If you put in one domain and then apply push connect notify to 7 other domains as well, it will actually only work on the domain name that is registered here. You have the choice of a thank you page, so you can upload your own or use the thank you page that's provided, and then you can capture email subscribers or not. That's completely up to you. Right now, I believe they have about 7 autoresponders that you can integrate with API, and they're only increasing that. So it's only going to get bigger. There's tons more value to be added to this software. So what you see now is incredibly powerful. However, they will be increasing the power of the software. So you want to get it before prices go up, and definitely before they start incorporating tons more softwares and start charging more for it. So you can get that through my link in the description below, and it's going to give you access to all of this. The push letter, like I mentioned to you, is something that you can actually set up, and it will automatically push to your lists. You can select which lists you want to push it to, and it will auto push based on the 14-day sequence, and when they click on this notification, it will auto pull them to a page. So we're typing in some body, the link will set up to Google, and then once we set this up, all done, and send out, you're going to see it automatically appear on the right hand side of the screen, and it's going to auto link it to Google. So as soon as you click on this push notification, it's going to auto link to Google. Now, like I said, one of the biggest websites doing this push notification is, so it's already done, and boom, there it is. It's already appearing on my dashboard. It's already been sent, and boom, I'm on the Google homepage. So this is how easy, how quick, how powerful, within just seconds, you can be sending push notifications to people. And like I said, Facebook is one of the largest companies right now using push notifications. So definitely take a look at this software. It's unbelievable. All right, folks. So as I mentioned before, Push Connect Notify is fantastic for your blogs, e-commerce store, websites, lead pages, and tons more. Now, this is working through JavaScript, so it's almost impossible to block these push notifications, which is fantastic. So you're not going to miss out on people, or people aren't going to subscribe and wonder where their push notifications are. On top of that, like I mentioned, you have the potential to add them to your email list, which is massive value to have them on the email list as well. However, just getting push notifications is a list on its own. Now, what OTO number one is, or that one-time offer number one is essentially your opportunity to segment your lists into people that have clicked, people that haven't clicked. You can actually segment a whole bunch of different features, like I mentioned in the video earlier, and this is extremely important. If you're not 100% clear on why, I'd say get it anyway, get OTO number one anyway, and I'll explain it to you all in my 30-minute over-the-shoulder coaching. So, like I said, Push Connect Notify is available through my links down below in the description. Hop onto that. You're going to get access to all of my bonuses, as well as, like I said, Push Connect Notify, and I strongly urge you to take that OTO number one. So I look forward to seeing you inside